Our today lesson is about the letters madda. Letters madda. Madda mean to stretch the letters. In Arabic, to stretch the letters known as madda. So in Arabic letters, there are just 3 madda letters in it. 3 madda letters are in Arabic alphabets. Got it?
Yeah. 3.
The first is alif.
Alif.
Every alif is not madda letter. When there is a fatha sign, when there is a zabar sign before an alif, so that is madda. That means we need to stretch the ba letter accent sound like this: ba, fatha, alif, ba, like this.
Okay.
Yeah. So first mother letter is alif. What is first mother letter in Arabic?
Alif.
When there is a fatha before an alif, that alif is mother letter. Yes.
Yes.
Mother letter mean to stretch the voice of Arabic letter 1 to 3 seconds, equal to 1 to 3 seconds. Done?
Yeah.
Same as it is the standing fatha, standing kasra, standing dhamma.
Yeah.
Yes. The second mother letter is in next block waw. Waw sakun.
Wow.
Yeah, waw sakun. What is sakun? Can you see the little small doll come on the letter waw? Look like small doll.
Yeah.
That is sakun. This sign known as sakun.
And what is the meaning of sukoon?
Sakun mean when this sign come on the top of any letter, so this is known as waw sakun. When this sign come on the top of ya, we say this is ya sakun. When on the top of ba, we said ba sakun, sin sakun, shin sakun. And the meaning of waw sakun is that when this sakun come, so we need to connect the previous letter with that letter. I mean the ba, da, ma, wow, and then we make sound boo, like this. Okay. So second mother letter is waw sakun. Done. But every waw sakun is not waw mada, When there is a dhamma sign before waw sakun, then this letter known as waw mada. Then first we need to see the previous letter sign. I mean dhamma. The ba has a dhamma sign on the top. When there is a dhamma sign before waw sakun, then we say this is waw madda. Then we have read the 2 mother letters. First is alif. When there is a fatha sign before alif, so alif madda. When waw sakun come with dhamma, this is waw madda. And the third, when ya sakun, can you see this little small on the top of ya letter? This is sakun.
Yeah.
So ya sakun. We call now this letter ya sakun. When ya sakun come with kasra sign, so we call now this letter is ya madda. Then, can you understood a little bit?
Yeah, now I think I understand more.
Yeah, inshallah, now we will practice. How we did?
Yeah.
Just try to copy me. First, inshallah, we will spell the letters and then make sound. Ba, fatha, alif, then make sound ba, like this.
Ba, fatha, alif.
What sound become? Yeah, ba. Very good. Text. Ba, dhamma, Wow. Make sound. Boo. Yes, your turn. First spell the letters.
Ba,
Mm-hmm.
wow, Dhamma,
Yes.
Alif.
No need to read Amira alif letter when you spell the Arabic letter. You know alif is empty. Alif is empty. So
Okay.
yeah, just ba and wow read. Yes.
Ba, boo, woo.
Yes. And ba, kasra, ya, bi.
Ba, bi, woo.
Very good. Mashallah. Mashallah. Next.
You.
Yes, mashallah.
Oh no.
We will read now just yeah, good. All letters together, just sound accent. Listen to me. Ba, boo, bi, like this. Yes, your turn.
Ba, boo, bi.
Super, mashallah. Next line. Tha, alif, fatha, tha.
Da,
First spell the letters, Amira. First you read the letters and then make sound.
ba, fatha, alif.
And make sound.
Da,
Yes, now this method is good, okay? First spell the letters and then make sound. Spell the letters, then make sound. You know, in Quran Pak, when we read the Quran Pak ayah, so there is a very big words come, you know. In one word, Arabic word have sometime 9 to 10 letters Arabic come, you know. So this time we not able to read all letters accent. So when we spell the letter and make the sound, spell the next letter, then make sound, and then read all together, then we will read the just one word, you know. So it is necessary to first spell the letters and then make sound for practice. Next block.
da,
Yes.
Dhamma,
Yes. Wow.
wow,
Yes.
fatha, no, fatha, Dhamma, kasra,
Yeah, make sound.
oh, tu,
Very good, mashallah. Third is sa, kasra, ya, si.
ti,
Mashallah. I mean all letters together. Sa, su, si. Your turn.
da, su, ti.
Very good, mashallah.